Hi boys and girls, today I have a story called Splish Splash by Gail Herman. And this is about a little girl who really wants to go swimming, but I wonder what she's going to end up doing instead. Let's take a look. It was a bright spring day. Molly was in her backyard. Trucks were digging, workers were shouting. Looks like they're digging a hole. Will the pool be ready soon? Molly asked. Don't worry, said her mom. The pool will be ready by the first day of summer. Another truck came. Out came concrete and more concrete. This will take forever, said Molly. So they're putting concrete in. Then came tiles. Are you sure the pool will be ready? Asked Molly. Yes, said her mom. It will be ready by the first day of summer. Finally came the water. Hooray! Shouted Molly. The pool is ready, and tomorrow is the first day of summer. She looks excited. Call your friends, said her mom. Invite them over. You can have a pool party. Molly called Sam, Lizzie, and Ben. Let's have a pool party tomorrow, she said. Ooh, I like pool parties. The next day, Molly woke up early. Happy first day of summer, she shouted. Happy pool party! She pulled on her bathing suit. Then she ran downstairs. I'm ready for the party, she exclaimed. Oh, honey, said her dad. Look outside. Uh-oh. Molly looked. Splish, splash. It was pouring. On the first day of summer. No pool party, she cried. Molly felt so bad. Splish, splash. Tears as big as raindrops ran down her cheeks. Oh. I'm sorry, said her mom, but you can still have a party with your friends. Molly felt a little better. She called Sam, Lizzie, and Ben. Come over anyway, she told them. We will try to have fun. Oh, there's an idea. I wonder how they can have fun if it's raining outside. I wonder what they'll do. When her friends came over, they wore bathing suits too. Molly's mom turned on the brightest light. The sun is so strong, said Molly. I need sunglasses. Molly's dad spread a blanket on the floor. He brought out apples and oranges and sandwiches cut in little triangles. A picnic, said Molly. There you go. Yeah. You guys can try that stuff at home too. Molly, Sam, Lizzie, and Ben played tag and hide and seek. This is almost like being outside, said Molly. She looked out the window. Splish, splash. If only we could go outside for real. It's hard not being able to go outside, huh? Well, said her dad, it's not raining as hard. And you are wearing bathing suits, said her mom. Let's go, said Molly and her friends. Ooh, they're going to go play in the rain. Have you guys ever done that? Molly, Sam, Lizzie, and Ben ran outside. Splish! Splash! They stomped through the puddles. They tried to catch raindrops. Suddenly, the rain stopped. The sun peeked out. Clouds floated away. You know what that means. It's sunny! Cried Molly, just like the first day of summer should be. Ready for a real pool party? Asked her mom. Splish! Splash! Molly swam underwater. She did handstands. She kicked and laughed and jumped around. Everyone out of the pool, said Molly's dad. It is getting late. Thank you, said Ben. Thanks, said Sam. I had a great time, said Lizzie. I had a great time too, Molly told her mom. The next time it rains, can we have another pool party? Molly asked. The end. So in this story, she didn't get to do exactly what she wanted to do, but she found something that was fun to do instead. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that story. I'll see you next time. Bye!